Good morning. Today is the 10th of July and we're starting to get the combines ready. I've already put the crop lifters on the header and I'm putting in all the covers now and yeah, make sure they're ready to go. There we go. Oh, Jesus. Fucking ab exercise. Oh my God. Whew. That's number one. Oh. There we go. Whee! No. Hello again. First of all, thank you so much for all the messages and the positive response to our first vlog. Yeah, it was just through and through really positive and really nice to see, because it was a bit scary to, or it is scary to put yourself out like that. As you can see, I'm back on the tractor and this is the first day of wheat harvest. We just got here half an hour ago and they are calibrating the combine. Today I've also got Eddie with me. He got neutered yesterday, so he is wearing a t-shirt and feeling a little bit sorry for himself, but that's all right. As long as he can be with me, then he's usually happy. I guess I take you along on wheat harvest, which is usually really exciting. It looks like we're up a little bit short on people today because we still have road machines running and we're missing some of our usual truck drivers, so see how that goes. I think today will be a slow day, but I'm sure the next few days will be super busy and we can film a little bit more. Why are you raking the field?
Why I'm raking the field? We want to figure out if the combine is spreading evenly. So there's not much straw here. We still have more in the center than on the outside. Very important that we spread the straw evenly for the next crop. Looks like the spreader is doing a really nice job now spreading width, so we took the counter knives almost out. The straw is very dry. It does spread full width now, and before that we always had a little much straw in the center and not enough outside, so yeah, it looks a lot better now.
So we're still going strong. It's 5:30 now and we've been going at this for I guess 5.5 hours now, and yields are not looking too great, but the soil is also pretty light and this is probably going to be our worst wheat field. Right now we're combining about 88 bushels, which is not great, but yeah, it should get better from here on. So, if you were wondering why Lucas is not involved in wheat harvest and why, yeah, he doesn't do anything around here, it's because, well, maybe he should explain himself.
All right, so I haven't been too involved in the wheat harvest, or any harvests really, because I have a significant dust allergy. Not the most practical thing when you're working on a farm. But I've been keeping busy spraying fungicide on beans. Did a little bit of cultivating today, working in some chicken manure into the wheat ground. And been working on this thing, getting it ready to spray some fungicide on corn. Just maybe do a quick walk around, show you what we've done to it. So starting on the front here, let's see, we got this PVC pipe going across the front, some metal brackets made up holding it to the cab. The idea there being just to push the corn down as we're driving through it. If we go under the belly, Wayner made up these brackets for me just to hold these hydraulic hoses closer to the tires, hoping that corn stalks don't catch them and pull them out, damaging them. Let's see, we did the same on this side. Just a U-bolt holding some angle iron and a curved flat bar at the end. I'm just working right now on zip tying some loose hoses. See, a lot of them are kind of dangly from the factory to give them some space for the track adjust, so they have some play. So I just kind of zip tied them a little loosey-goosey here. Hopefully they're loose enough still that I can adjust the track, but a bit tighter to help protect from the corn. The other thing we made is, so this back here is the whole pump, the filter and filter housings, as well as all the electronic valves for adjusting whether you're spraying or rinsing or filling or clean water. It's all fairly open, so I made this bracket here with the hopes of pushing corn underneath the pump. And then this bracket here, the hopes that it pushes the corn all to the side. I just finished greasing the boom and fixing a little bit of wiring. Some other maintenance, draining the tanks. I gotta clean my windows. Then I'm gonna fill it with just some water, take it to the field, and see how it does.
It's 7:45 in the evening, and we're about to call it a day because we are running out of trailer and truck space. So all the trailers and trucks that we have here are filled, and yeah, there's just a little bit left of that field, like, I don't know, maybe 6 up and downs, and then that's it. But we're going to do it tomorrow. We'll leave it for today. Once the sun's going down, it's also going to get tougher. And anyways, that was the first day of wheat harvest, other than one fuck up. It's been a good day, I would say. Eddie has been really good, and I think it was perfect for him to be in the tractor all day, because usually he just sleeps and lays around anyways. So that was good for recovery. When we get to the end here, Wayne is going to unload once more into the buggy. Right now I have 50,000 pounds, so maybe we'll get to 65. There will be still a little bit of room left in the buggy, but there's no point. We'll have to come back tomorrow morning anyways and finish this up. First day of wheat harvest done. Pretty much 8 o'clock and we still have 27 degrees, so it was a beauty day. Always flip up the auger when you leave. Oh, never mind. There we go. Just in case it rains. Okay. Also do at the end of the day if we don't take the buggy home. We'll obviously close it up just in case it rains, and clean the windows on the tractor. I should have used my gloves. Oh well. Who the heck was that? What happened? What the heck? Who spilled so much wheat? That would have been me. Yeah, what happened is that I didn't run the Challenger on a high enough RPM, so the PTO didn't run on 1,000 reps, which it's supposed to be. So because it was running too slow and there was too much wheat to be, how do you say that in English? I can't even talk anymore. Anyways, because there was too much wheat and the PTO was running too slow, the tractor died. The tractor died with the door to the auger open, so the auger was running full of wheat. That way I couldn't restart the PTO. Yeah, we had to open the door at the bottom of the auger and let all the wheat that was in the auger run out onto the ground. Did I hate myself when that happened? Yes. But I could have easily just not shown that mistake. Alright, so it's day 2. We have both combines here now. It's 9:30 and me and Tyler just shoveled up the spoil that I did yesterday and dumped that in the truck. Yeah. See what today brings. We're having the same situation, tough word, right now, where my buggy is full and they are filling up the combines now, and we don't have any trailers or trucks here that can take it away. So it's going a little bit slower. It's starting to drizzle again, and I think we're supposed to get rained out in about an hour. We have a third of this field left, I would say. It's going to be really close. We'll see if we'll finish it and can bring everything home, because all the other fields are pretty close to home. But yeah, honestly, I'm just a little bit tired already. Not really tired, but it's been more stressful with 2 combines, so I didn't really have much time to film. And yeah, it does take a little bit of energy to film and to get your mic ready and put the camera up and think about what you want to say and all that stuff. So yeah, I didn't film too much today. So yeah, it's 4:30 now in the afternoon. See how long we'll go. We're definitely not combining anything close to home, because they got rained out and they got quite a bit of rain, so everything's wet over there. So I hope it's not going to be a late night and everything goes smooth and we'll get this off and then we can go home. Okay, so it's a few days later. I think we're on wheat harvest day 5 or 6. As you can see, I'm in the tractor again, and we've been working on this one field for, well, the whole day. Yeah, we don't have much left. Should be all going good. yeah, today was a day without major breakdowns or almost mistakes. I guess you can consider that a good day. I think the average yield here has been about 124, which sounds better than the last or the first field. One thing about this field, I'm really not a fan of this field because with the buggy I have to go in and out of the ditch, or like to go onto the road I have to go into the ditch, and it's quite a bit on an angle. It's quite sketchy driving up there with the buggy when it's full and you've got 70,000 pounds in the buggy and looks like it's tipping. Yeah, so this day has been a little bit nerve-wracking, but we're almost there. We're almost there. And with that, we're done with the field. So the combine drivers are just blowing off their combines, and yeah, I just have to roll the top on my buggy and then hook up my pickup behind the buggy, and then I can go home. Yeah, I think I have a problem. My car doesn't start. Yeah, honestly, not a day where we don't have anything or something happens. But that's okay. Hauke came and jump started me, so I can go home now. Nice. All right. Pickup is unhooked. So now we'll fuel up and then we'll call it a day.